Hello students, today we are going to learn word problem of chapter 7 coins and notes. So let us start. Ajay has 9 notes. The total value of those notes is rupees 500. Which note does Ajay have and how many of each? So students, let us solve it. Suppose we have 500 rupees note. The number of note is 1. 500 rupees note. But Ajay has 9 notes. So we will split this 500 rupees. That is, we will exchange for smaller one. And we will take two 200 rupees note and one 100 rupees note to make 500 rupees. So it will become only 3 notes. So again we will exchange this 200 rupees note into smaller one. So we will exchange this 200 rupees note into 450 rupees note. So 50 plus 50, 100, 100 plus 50, 150 and 150 plus 50, 200. Same way here also 450 rupees note will make 200 rupees. Now we will take this 100 rupees note down. Now we will count the number of notes. It will be 9 notes. So Ajay was having 9 notes and the total value of rupees is 500 rupees. So we will write in statement form that 8 50 rupees note, 8 into 50 we will get 400 and 100 rupees note, 1 into 100 we will get 100 and if we add this 400 plus 100 and 8 plus 1 we will get the total notes. Here 8 plus 1, the total notes 9 and here 400 plus 100 we will get here total value 500 rupees. So we will write the statement Ajay have 8 50 rupees notes and 100 rupees note for total value of rupees 500. Next sum. Swati has some 100 rupees note, 50 rupees note and 20 rupees note. If the total value of the notes is rupees 500, how many notes of each denomination does Swati have? Now here Swati have 100 rupees note, 50 rupees note and 20 rupees note. And the total value of that notes is rupees 500. We have to find out how many 100 rupees note, how many 50 rupees note and how many 20 rupees note Swati has to make 500 rupees. So first we will write 20 rupees, 50 rupees and 100 rupees. The total of this note is 20 plus 50, 70, 70 plus 100, 170. Again we will write the same notes. Again we will get 170. Now we will add 170 plus 170. We will get here 340. But we want 500 rupees. So we will take one more 20 rupees note and 100 rupees note. So 20 plus 100 we will get 120. Again we will add these numbers 170 plus 170 plus 120. Let us see how much amount we got now. Oh, it is 460, but we want 500 rupees. So still 40 rupees is less to make 500 rupees. So we will take 120 rupees note and one more 20 rupees note. So we will get 40 rupees now. Now again we will add 170 plus 170 plus 120 plus 20 plus 20. So we will get a total value 500 rupees. So we have taken here how many 20 rupees note? 5 notes of 20, then 2 notes of 50, then 3 notes of 100. So we will write in the statement form 100 rupees note, 50 rupees note and 20 rupees note. So we got 300 rupees note, 250 rupees note and 520 rupees note. If we multiply this 3 into 100, we will get 300. 2 into 50, we will get 100, and 5 into 20, we will get 100. So we will add these numbers 300 plus 100 plus 100. We will get here total 500, that is the total value. Now we will write the statement. Swati has 300 rupees note, 250 rupees note and 520 rupees note for the total value of rupees 500. Next sum we will solve now. Nandu has 6 notes. The total value of the note is rupees 1000. Which note does Nandu have and how many of each? So here we will take 1000 rupees note and we will exchange for smaller note. So to make 1000 rupees we can take 2 500 rupees note, but the total note is 2 notes and we want 6 notes. We can take another exchange for smaller notes, that is 5 200 rupees note, but still it is 5 notes. So we will take exchange for smaller note, that is 10 100 rupees note. But here it will become 10 notes and we want only 6 notes. So we will take 1 500 rupees note and 500 rupees note. So we will write the statement 500 rupees notes and 1 500 rupees note. If we multiply 5 into 100, we will get 500 and 1 into 500, we will get 500. If we add it, we will get the total notes, that is 5 plus 1. We will get here total notes 6 and 500 plus 500, total value 1000. So we will write the statement. Nandu has 1 500 rupees note and 500 rupees note for the total value of rupees 1000. One more sum we will solve. Salma has 11 notes. If the total value of the note is rupees 1000, which note does Salma have and how many of each? So we will take 1000 rupees note and we will exchange this 1000 rupees note into smaller notes as we have done in the previous sum. So we will take two 500 rupees note. That will make total notes will make 2 notes. If we take 5 200 rupees note, then also it will become 1000 rupees. But we have 11 notes. So we will take 10 100 rupees note. We will get the total notes 10. But there are 11 notes. So we will exchange this 100 rupees note into 250 rupees note. So we will get 900 rupees note and 250 rupees note. If we multiply it 9 into 100, we will get the answer 900, and 2 into 50 we will get the answer 100. And if we add these numbers, so 9 plus 2, we will get total notes 11, and 900 plus 100, we will get total value 1000. So we will write a statement: Salma has 900 rupees note and 250 rupees note for the total value of rupees 1000. So students, this is the easy way you can find out how many notes a person may be having in the denomination if you are having the total amount and the total number of notes the person is having. I hope you have understood the sum. Thank you.